short session. I'm gonna do 2 pages every day. And then just slowly go through everything. I think that's a decent pace, basically. You post a meme on your social media. Meme on your social media. 6 of your friends repost a meme, then 6 of each of their friends repost a meme, and so on. Find a total number of people who reposted the meme after the second. So this is 6 to the power of 7. Right? But wait, so the formula is, so the 1 is 6, right? 2 is 36. So 6x squared. So an is 6 to the power of n, and n is 7. We're gonna have a, we're gonna, okay, it's 27,000. So, and that makes 279,936. There you go. Okay, example 7, the Sierpinski triangle. Of all things, right? Sierpinski triangle is a fascinating geometric shape known as a fractal. It's created by a simple repeating process recursion. It results in a complex self-similar pattern. Okay, how to build it? Start with a solid equilateral triangle. Connect the midpoints of each side to smaller ones. Remove the center triangle. Repeat this process. Blah blah. Okay, so we have this thing here. So at 0, it's 1. And at 1, it's, is it 4 or 3? You remove the center triangle. Okay, okay. The first step is 1 black triangle. You got 3 black triangle. Okay, 3. Okay, 1, 3. 2 is 9. 3. What? 3 is 1, 2, 3 is. One. Oh, this is 27, no? And at 4, it's 81. And at 5, it's 243. Okay. So K is 4, then N is 81. And B, right arrow A and on the nth iteration. So this is 0, it's 1, 2, it's 9, 3. So it's 3 to the power of n. So an is 3 to the power of n. Okay, let's get some water. Ugh, that's not good. N. All right, we'll see. And we'll see how AN3 and so the area of first round was 16 square units. After the second removal iteration 2, what is the area of the 5 iterations? Okay, so 16, right? 16 square units. So C. Okay, so 0 is 16. At 1, it's 12. At 2, take out another quarter, huh? Yeah. So at 2, it's 9. At 3, you take out another quarter. It's 9 divided by 4. At 4, it's 9 divided by 16. At 5, it's 9 divided by 64. What's the area of the 5 iteration? 9 divided by 16. C is 9 and D is 9 divided by 64. And the formula is it's times 1 quarter, right? So N1, 0. So plus 16. 0. 0, 16. So this is the second. How do you do this? Okay. AN is 16 times 1/4 to the power of n. It's actually three quarters, not 1/4. 3 quarters. 3 quarters. So I made a mistake here, by the way. So this is 27/4, right? So 87, yeah, approximately. Yeah, that's good. 7 over 4. And then the next one is 36081 over 16. And the next one is 243 over 64. So 243 over 60. All right, and AN is 16 times. Source is K0 and 16 times to the power of 10. All right. Example 8. You can calculate the monthly payment M in dollars for a loan using the formula blah blah blah, where L is the loan amount in dollars, I is the monthly interest rate in decimal form, and T is the term in months. Calculate the monthly payment on the 5-year loan for 20,000 and annual interest rate of 6%. Okay, this is good. M is L divided by this one, T, K is 1, and then 1 over 1, 1 plus, let's just say, I guess, to the power of K. Right, okay. All right, so L is loan amount, capital L, and I is the monthly interest rate. Interest rate. T is a term in months. Okay. Drink some water. Oh, you can probably not see it from. Yo, Mr. Rowe, what's up? Sorry if I'm a bit late. What's up, Mr. Rowe? I wasn't really reading chat. Sorry for that. How are you on this fine day? Right. So okay, so L is big L is 20,000 bucks. I is the monthly interest rate. So the annual interest rate is 6%. How does this work? Something to the power of 12 is 1.06 decimal form. So factors, or what is it, 1? I don't fully understand. You could also just do it like, let me see, like, like, oops. I guess this also works. The monthly interest rate. Let's check out what this thing has to say. But it's wrong what I'm doing. I'll skip this one for now. We're going to do extra practice 1, 2, and 3. This looks easy. So this is page 17. Okay. In exercises 1 to 4, determine where sequence geometric explain your reason. 4, 12, 36, 1. Let me see. They're all times 3, yeah? So the formula here is y is 4 times 3 to the power of x. Oh, that's 0, huh? X minus 1. X minus 1. Okay, 2, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25. So y is minus 5x plus 50. 3, 1.3, 7.8, 46.8, 280.8, and 1648.8. Everything times 6 now. So this is so y is 1.3 times 6 to the power of x minus 1 for 3. 3 over 32. So y is three divided by minus 2 to the power of plus 1. No, just n. Not plus 1. So 5, 6, 18, 54, 162. So everything's times 3, no? Yeah. Times 3. So an is 6 times 3 to the power of n minus 1. And is 6. Then a6 is 6 times 3 to the power of 5, which is 4 is 81, 5 is 243, and that times 6 is 1200, 1440, 1452. Six is 3 minus 6, 12 minus 34. Okay, so this is an alternating minus 34, isn't it? Or minus 24. Okay, that makes sense. So it kind of doubles, but with a minus sign, right? So it's 3 times minus 2 to the power an is 3 times minus 2 to the power of n minus 1, with n is 6, so a6 is 3 times minus 2 to the power of 5. To the power of 5 is 32. Times 3. I made a mistake. Oh, 6, right? 5. So 48. And then, so that might be correct, right? 38 is 96. Okay. And it's mm, minus 96. Okay, 7. So 1, 5 over 2, 25 over 4, 125 over 8. Okay. We have a n is on top this, it's the power per powers of 5, right? So 5 to the power of n minus 1, and then divided by, those are 4 times 1. Those are powers of 2. So also 2, and again to the power of n minus 1. Okay. Then number 8, minus 2.4 minus 16.8 minus 117.6 minus 823.2. But it's 7 times 7. 7 is 70, 42, 112, 170. Yeah, it's times 7. And the final one's also times 7, right? 770 plus 49, 819, and then 7632. Okay. All right, let's go. 42, so yeah. Otherwise it would not be. Um, so a n is minus 2.4 times 7 to the power of n minus 1. Oh, I forgot a, so here 6, so the previous one, a6 is 5 to the power of 5 divided by 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. 5 to the power of 5 is 25, 125, 625, 3,125, and 15,625. What did I just say? 15,600. Right. Whatever that is, right? And then the final one, a6 is minus 225 times 7 to the power of 5, which is a usual calculator kind of stuff. All right. Yeah. Well, I have a calculator now. Let's just do it. All right, so let's do it. Let's quickly do it. Timeout. Yeah, every day a little bit of math is good for for mental sanity. Just a few math equations. All right, so let's do that. But where's my calculator? System apps. Okay, 7 to the power of 5, and that times 2.4 in the minus. Well, you don't need to do that. Okay, so it's 40,360, 36. So minus 40,366.8. Beautiful. It's amazing. There were my 2 pages of math. I'm going to try to do 2 pages of math. So that you know what to expect. So this was a really short stream. I'm gonna have lunch and then I'm probably gonna be back. I'm gonna sleep a little bit. I don't really know. Drinking lots of water. I got a class in the afternoon. I don't know. Maybe we'll see. We'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna have some lunch. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm back. I'm back streaming. I'm gonna stream some lighthearted stuff these next couple of weeks. So nothing too serious. Simple stuff. A bit of studying. Who knows? I might every now and then film my dinner. Nothing much more serious than that. Simple stuff. I will do some gaming. I'm pretty sure in the evening hours.